Tubeway stock a range of joints and edgings for finishing 7 to 8mm wooden and laminate floors. These are made from high-grade aluminium, they're strong and hard wearing and can be cut to size with a hacksaw. The wood effect edgings are foil coated and the metallic finishes are anodised for long-lasting bright colours. Pack sizes are 5x895mm or 3x2.7m for all styles, but check our website www.tubeway.co.uk for full details of colours, pack and prices on the Laminate Floor Edges page. Wooden and laminate floors expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity. Easyfix Laminate Edgings are designed to allow for this, but always check your manufacturer's instructions about your individual floor requirements. The round edge joins a laminate floor and a vinyl floor 1 to 4mm thick. The sloping face is ribbed for a non-slip finish. The double edge joins two laminate floors in doorways, covering an expansion gap if required. The top is ribbed for grip. The square edge caps a laminate floor edge and is ribbed for grip. The angle edge. These stick to the laminate floor with self-adhesive tape and have a 45-degree leg to the original floor level. The top is notched. The carpet edge joins laminate on one side and Hessian back carpet on the other, gripped by sharp teeth. The top is ribbed and it's designed to be compressed if required. The nosing is a self-adhesive right angle for edging laminate with non-slip ribbing on top. The cover strip is a low, domed 38mm wide strip with double self-adhesive. A smooth top surface, it's available in several wood effect finishes. See tubeway.co.uk for more details of these or for our carpet edge and snap top edgings. Thanks for watching.